Everyone, welcome to the coordinates. In previous video we have created the HTML file. Now I am going to create the form or field for the create product. So I am using the simple table, not bootstrap. We will add in later to just understand. Now we create the tr, or we can say the tr, then we can td. Now so just need to add the label, then give the name called product name. Then we can add one more field called now going to use the text box, normal text box, input type text, then the name or id called product name. So I'm going to use the same field as I described in our model. So you can say product name, then you can use this id here. In the same way, I'm going to create all the field like product name, then after that product SKU, then product SKU, then copy one more field called product price, then price one more, then you can next description, then product description, then one more that all field are added, one more field boolean for the checkbox is active. So we can use the same name, is active, product active. Now adding one more button for saving the data. So this require only one column as of now. So we can say call span 2. We're going to add the button, give the name save or create product, then assign the id btn create product. Now we can just check how this look like. Now we have to navigate to product, then we have to call the create. So it look like fine. Now in the next video I am going to show you how to add the JavaScript file for getting this value and passing to the server. So thank you for watching this video.